Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to add tags to your YouTube videos. It is very simple to do and it takes no time at all to do it. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is head over to your YouTube and then go to your videos. So go to my channel, go to videos. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to get them. So you just want to, I'll just go to edit, and in my description, as you can see, you just need to put hashtags in your description. The first three will pop up in the actual YouTube video. So I chose YouTube, how to, and search, since that's what my YouTube video is about. You just want to use the three most important tags for that certain video. Anything past three tags, it will not show up underneath the title. But if I go back to my actual video, as you can see, YouTube, how to, and search are right underneath the title. And that's simple. That's how you get tags underneath your title on your YouTube videos. So I hope this video does help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. So please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.